We are back, and yes, we kept our promise. Remember that creamy tzatziki sauce we made? Today, I'm finally showing you the perfect partner for it, crispy fried calamari. And trust me, once you hear that crunch, there is no going back. First, we start with our calamari rings and we pat them completely dry using tissue. This is very important because excess moisture prevents the butter from sticking properly and can make your calamari soggy instead of crispy. Dry calamari gives you better coating, better frying, and maximum crunch. Into a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, which gives the batter its structure and helps create that beautiful outer shell. Next, potato starch, which is one of the secrets to extra crispiness. Egg white helps bind everything together while keeping the batter airy and light. Corn oil improves texture and gives crispy fry. Black pepper for gentle background heat. Salt for proper seasoning. Baking powder for lighter and crispier coating. Cold water keeps butter light instead of dense and chewy. Now mix everything nicely with your hand until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter because lumps create uneven coating. A smooth batter means every calamari ring fries uniformly and gives you that beautiful consistent crunch. And if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to subscribe for more easy but amazing homemade recipes. Drop in the dried calamari rings. Coat each ring nicely with the batter so every piece gets covered. Now into preheated oil. Fry until crispy and beautiful golden brown. Listen to that sizzle. That's exactly what we want. Once out of the oil, season with calamari seasoning. Then toast nicely so every piece is packed with flavor. On a plate, spread our already made tzatziki sauce. Now arrange the crispy calamari nicely on top in a mounted presentation. Top with pico de gallo, drizzle of hot sauce, and finish with sakura cress. And there we have it, crispy golden calamari paired with creamy tzatziki sauce, absolute perfection. Check out my playlist for more easy homemade recipes. If you love this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Till we meet in the next one, peace out.